Earlier in 3D Coat 4.8, in the Scope workspace, the ability to multi-select layers and perform typical operations such as transform has been added. So, for example, if I want to multi-select all of these layers and then move them above the grid plane here, I can hold down the Control key and click on this layer. Even though it's currently selected, 3D Coat needs to know that I want to include this by clicking and then just continue single clicking each layer that I want to move. I'll go ahead and click that, and I'll do this again, except this time instead of the Control key, I'll shift select, which works as it does in most applications, especially Photoshop. When you hold down the shift key, we'll click on this first one and then click on the last one, and it will select everything in between as well. Now, if we want to go to the Adjust section and choose the Transform tool, we can move all of these elements at the same time. Okay, so that's a quick look at multi-selection here in 3D Coat's VoxTree layer panel within the Scope workspace. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.